plane filled with ganja disappeared from the Montego Bay International Airport in St. James, Jamaica. Here's what happened. Before we start, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the like button to be entertained by these true stories about Jamaica every day. In Jamaica, it is public knowledge that the justice system and policing needs reform. These reforms weren't just needed today, but from the earlier years of our independence. This story demonstrates how fickle the justice system was. On November 17, 1970, three Americans, Don Linkingore, Craig Kiror, and Darrell Escriba, all of Cocoa Beach, Florida, were arrested and charged with illegal possession of ganja and trying to export ganja. Three men had loaded the plane with several bags of ganja and were ready to take off before the police intervened. The keys were placed in the custody of Inspector Felix McLeod, who was the chief immigration officer at the airport. The plane belonged to another American, Leroy Leprest, also of Cocoa Beach, Florida. Mr. Leprest came to Jamaica to attend the trial of the three men and also testified at the hearing. The police maintained a heavy presence guarding the plane, with several constables on watch. So how did a plane disappear while being guarded by so many police officers? On the morning of December 23, 1970, an unidentified man went to the flight control room at the airport and filed a flight plan for the plane. He had told the officials that he had received clearance from the higher-ups to do this, but didn't present any evidence, and according to officials, they actually believed him. The man left the tower and went to the runway and flew the plane away to its unknown destination. Only afterwards, a police constable who was on the ground saw the plane taking off and ran after it. In court, Clerk Velma Hilton sought to get clearance to seize the aircraft, but she didn't know it was missing. The Jamaican lawyers had built a case against the men surrounded on the evidence found in the plane, but now the plane was gone. Inspector McLeod, who had possession of the plane keys, told the court that the plane had gone missing while under police surveillance. The judge had no choice but to adjourn the trial for the time being. The Jamaican government had called a public inspection into the incident. Rumors at the time were that the owner of the plane, Mr. Leroy Leprest, came back from America and bribed the police officers and immigration officers at the airport. This allowed the unidentified man to fly the plane away. Do you think this would have happened in Jamaica today? Comment below and tell us why.